Want to create unlimited social media posts in just minutes? Let's get started with this easy and efficient method. First, open ChatGPT and type the following prompt. Provide 55 hard work quotes to motivate. Once you've typed it, click on send, and within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete list of 55 powerful motivational quotes related to hard work. These quotes will serve as the content for your social media posts. Now, the next step is to copy all the quotes from ChatGPT. Simply highlight the entire list of quotes, right click and select copy. Once copied, open MS Word or any other text editor where you want to store these quotes for easy access. In MS Word, right click and paste the quotes into a new document. This will help you organize your content before moving to the design phase. Next, open your browser and go to canva.com, a free and powerful design tool that makes creating social media posts easy. Once on Canva, click on Social Media, where you will find different templates and formats suitable for your specific requirements. Depending on the platform you are creating content for, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc., choose a design format that best suits your needs. After selecting your template, remove any unnecessary text or images by clicking on the elements and pressing the delete key. This will give you a blank canvas to start designing your posts. Now go back to MS Word, where you pasted the quotes, and start copying them one by one. Return to Canva, click on the text box, and paste the first quote. Resize the text box to make sure the text fits well within the design. You can also change the font, adjust the text size, and apply different colors to make your design more visually appealing. Consider using bold or italic styles to highlight important words in the quote. Once you have formatted the first design, the next step is to create more posts efficiently. Instead of creating each post from scratch, use the duplicate page feature in Canva. Click on the duplicate design button, which will copy the existing design. Now go back to MS Word, copy the next quote, return to Canva, and replace the old quote with the new one. Repeat this process for all 55 quotes. This method ensures consistency in design while saving time. For example, I have made only 5 designs to demonstrate, but you can continue duplicating and replacing text until all 55 quotes have been added. Once all your designs are ready, it's time to download them. Click on Share, then select Download and choose the file format. PNG or JPG is recommended for social media posts. Click on Download again, and the file will be saved to your computer as a compressed ZIP folder. After downloading, locate the zip file on your computer and extract the images by right-clicking and selecting Extract here. Now, all your social media posts are saved as separate image files and are ready to be posted. The final step is to start uploading your designs to your preferred social media platforms. Post them one by one according to your content schedule. You can share them daily, weekly, or in batches depending on your strategy. And that's it. You have successfully created unlimited social media posts in just a few minutes. This method saves you time while ensuring high quality and engaging content. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Flyer, share this video, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on more interesting and helpful videos. Thanks for watching.